In this video, we're going to look at charged rods and water. So the first one we're going to look at is acetate rubbed with wool and how it affects a water stream. So here we've got a water stream coming out of the tap. I've got an acetate rod and I'm going to rub it with a wool cloth. Now acetate exists higher on the triboelectric series than wool, so the electrons are rubbed off, so it's positive. So let's see after rubbing what happens to the water. And we notice that as I draw the rod close, the water bends towards the acetate rod. From the other side, we can see it also bends towards it. There we go. Okay, so let's have a look if we look at ebonite rubbed with wool on the water stream. Now ebonite sits below, so we'll have a high affinity for electrons, so it will be negatively charged. So let's place the ebonite next to the water stream, and you can see again it bends towards it. From the other side, exactly the same. So whether it's positive or negative, it bends towards the stream of water, or the water bends towards the rod. So the question is, why is it that this happens? Okay, so that's the practical. Let's go back to the classroom and explain why this happens. Okay, so first off, let's draw our stream of water. There we go, there's our stream of water, and next to that I'm going to put our rod. Now in this case it's going to be the ebonite rod, so it's going to be negatively charged. I'll just label it ebonite. There we go. Alright, now water is made up of H2O, as we know, and what happens is the electrons of the oxygen pull the negative charge towards it, making the hydrogens partially positive. This means that the hydrogen ends of the waters are attracted to the negative particles of the ebonite. Now, if we do the same thing with the acetate, we will have a positive end to our acetate rod because the electrons have been removed by the wool due to it being higher on the triboelectric series. In this case, the water molecules orientate themselves so the partially negative end of the water is attracted now to the positive end of the acetate rod. So again, we get this attraction towards the positive end by the negative terminals. So in each case, what we've got is a form of attraction, either the hydrogen to the negative or the oxygen to the positive, but the water is attracted towards the rod. The attraction is thus so great that the water will actually bend towards the rod due to this attraction. So to sum up, what we will have is water will orientate itself and bend towards the rod due to the attraction between the partially positive and negative charges of the water and the rod, and also due to the cohesive nature of water, which basically means it is able to be elastic and bend the whole stream of water towards the rod. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this useful.